Welcome to From Chaos to Clarity, Organizing Your Medical Practice Documentation. Managing documentation in today's fast-paced medical environment can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. So Emedsec is here for your support, where you get virtual secretarial service, practice management software, and social media marketing to help your practice thrive. Modern medical practices face challenges like paper overload, making filing and retrieval tedious. Digital disarray from inconsistent platforms only adds to the chaos. Time constraints mean documentation eats into patient care, while compliance concerns demand accuracy and security. Addressing these hurdles is crucial for seamless operations and patient satisfaction. Centralize records with EHRs, ensure secure access with cloud storage, and streamline tasks with automated workflows. Document templates offer consistent formatting, saving time and reducing errors in daily operations. Practice management software handles scheduling, billing, and communication. Clinical documentation tools simplify diagnoses and prescriptions. Data analytics optimize workflows, while system integration ensures seamless data flow, transforming how your practice functions. Optimize every step. Patient intake gathers initial details, clinical encounters document care, treatment plans outline strategies, progress notes track updates, and discharge summaries ensure comprehensive records for follow-up care. Automation reduces errors by 20%, improves billing accuracy to increase revenue by 15%, and boosts patient satisfaction by 10% through faster appointments and better communication. Efficient systems make a measurable difference. Let's hear a real-life example. One clinic overwhelmed by paper trails and inefficiency transformed its operations with Emedsec solutions. After adopting digital tools, their documentation became streamlined, patient progress easily tracked, and staff productivity soared. From chaos to clarity, they now deliver exceptional care with confidence. Imagine your files taking a vacation. No more searching through stacks of paper or endless tabs. With smart tools, your documents are where they belong, organized and stress-free, leaving you more time for patient care. With Emedsec, practices transition from being overwhelmed to streamlined operations. One clinic went from chaotic paper trails to efficient digital workflows, enhancing patient care and staff productivity. With the helping hands of Emedsec, you get faster processes, fewer errors, and happier patients. Take the first step today. Join Emedsec and transform your practice into a hub of excellence.